Air source heat pumps. Air source heat pumps are similar to air conditioning except they work differently and can heat air as well as cool it. They are also able to heat water. There are many advantages to using this system and I have stated some of them below. Compared to a resistant heater, they only use 1/3 to 1/4 of the amount of electricity for the same heat output. This will greatly reduce the cost of utility bills. Low maintenance cost due to few moving parts. However, heat exchangers outdoors must be kept free from debris and leaves. Potential danger to users reduced due to no flammable fuel being used for heating. Runs on an electric system. Not only heats air but water as well. In the winter these systems can be used for heating and in the summer times they can be used for air conditioning. Often installed with auxiliary heat, meaning should the pump be in need of repair it can still provide a source of heat. Along with these advantages, like every product it also comes with some disadvantages. These are marketed as a sustainable technology or low energy. However, it is worth noting that should the refrigerant inside the system leak, there are possibilities for it to cause global warming. Running on electricity, it does contribute to global warming. Requires a large outside space for the condenser unit. If used with conventional heating systems like radiators, retrofit becomes difficult. An underfloor heating system would need to be installed instead. In conclusion, they provide low-cost heating that can provide 4 times more heat than an electric resistance heater. Wesley Clark writes about air source heat pumps. Visit the Business Magnet product page for details and suppliers of air source heat pumps. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/wesley_c_clark/2740083